Hey everybody, Mr. Hanley here. For a math video, I'm going to start by going over the homework that you guys had. The first one was 38 cups equals blank pints, okay? I have here 38 cups equals blank pints. Now you guys definitely, I could tell by your work that you guys definitely need a little bit more work on this. The people who are closest were Andrew, Kaylee, and Mia. Andrew, Kaylee, and Mia, you guys all got all six or five out of the six right. All three of you all got nine wrong, but the other ones you got right. The other ones you guys only got a couple of them right. So let's go through these. 38 quarts equals blank pints. Okay, difficult to write backwards, but let's try it. 38 quarts, cups. 38 cups equals blank pints. Now we need to ask ourselves how many cups are in a pint. There are 2 cups in for every pint. 2 cups for every pint. So think of this relationship. Okay, this is the relationship. 2 cups equals 1 pint. Right? So you can see clearly there the cups are going to be twice as big as the pint. So that means this is going to be twice as big as this number. I divide this by 2, and that equals 19. Okay, 19 pints. So 19 was the correct answer. Some of you guys said 19, some of you guys did not. Next one, quarts and gallons, okay? 36 quarts equals blank gallons. It really does help. Sometimes this might be a good strategy for you to write the conversion underneath. You have quarts equals gallon, okay? 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. So you know this number is going to be 4 times as big as this number. This number is going to be 4 times as big. So that means you're going to divide it. Divide it by 4. 36 divided by 4 equals 9. 36 quarts equals 9 gallons. Right? I think this strategy might help you guys. 104 fluid ounces. 104. I'm trying to hold it so you guys can see it. Fluid ounces equals blank cups. Well, what is our conversion factor? Our magic number. 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. And one of these is always going to be 1, right? So, you know, this number is 8 times bigger than this number. This number is 8 times bigger than this number. So this is 8 times bigger than this. What do? 104 divided by 8. 8 goes into 10 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. 24. 8 goes into 24 3 times. So it ends up being 13. 13. Okay. Okay? It's always that way. Okay? And it's the same thing with these 8, 9, and 10. We're basically doing the same thing. 200 cups equals blank quarts. Okay, 200 cups equals blank quarts. What is the conversion? Cups to quarts. Cups equals blank quarts. Okay, so 1 quart. Well, we don't know cups to quarts. We know pints to quarts. Okay, so how much is it? 2 pints equals 1 quart. All right, well, how many cups are in 2 pints? Well, I know 2 cups equals 1 pint. So therefore, cups is twice as big as pints, right? Cups is twice as big as pints. So if I have 2 pints, I'm going to have twice as many. 4 cups equals 2 pints, right? Which equals 1 quart. So that means cups are how many times bigger than quarts? Cash, how many times bigger is this one than this one? This is 4 times bigger than this, right? So this number should be 4 times bigger than that. So it's this number times 4. What times 4 gives you 200? 200 divided by 4 equals 50. Got it? All right. Número 9. 22 pints equals blank fluid ounces. Okay? Pints to fluid ounces. You can't go straight there. Can't go straight there. So we can go pints to cups. What do we know? 1 pint equals 2 cups. We also know 1 cup equals 8 ounces. Okay? So 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 cup equals 8 ounces. So this is 8 bigger than this, right? This is 8 bigger than this. So how many ounces would I take to get 2 cups? If 1 cup is 8 ounces, 2 cups would be twice as big. 16 ounces, right? So for every pint, there is 16 ounces for every pint. So there's 22 pints. So for every one of these, there's 16 ounces. So 22 times 16 equals 13, 2, 2, 5, 3, 352. That's the one that everybody got wrong. I don't think a single person got that one right. And last one, number 10, 8 gallons equals blank quarts. This one should be easy because watch, you do the conversion factor here. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. So what is it? This is 4 times bigger than this. So this is going to be 4 times bigger than that. What's 4 times bigger than 8? Caleb, what is 8 times 4? 32, you're right. Very good. All right, so I would like you guys, I'm making a short video this time. You're going to be doing 11, 12, and 13 for today, but also I'm going to have you do some comparative ones. Let's do some comparative ones with 14 and those ones. All right, let's look at 14. 28 cups, then a circle, then 14 pints, okay? 28 cups, circle, 14 pints. We have to compare them, okay? So what you do, remember, you put them in the same terms. It's easier to make the bigger one into the smaller one. So we go 1 pint equals 2 cups, right? So we have 14 pints. What's the relationship here? This one's twice as big as this one, right? Cups is twice as big as pints, the number. So what's twice as big as 14? 28. So 14 pints is really 28 cups. So what do we have as our answer here? 28 cups, blank 28 cups. What should be here? The equal sign. Okay, we'll do another couple. We'll do 15 and 16. I'll have you do the other 3 on your own. 25 pints, circle, 13 quarts. Okay, I'll make sure the glare doesn't bother you. Pints and quarts, what is our conversion? 2 pints equals 1 quart. What is our relationship here? Remember, we want to put these in terms of the other. The quarts are bigger, so we want to kind of make those into pints. The quarts are always half of the pints, okay? Quarts are always half of the pints. So, so whenever I have quarts here, like this is half as big as this. So in order to get from this to this, I multiply by 2, right? So 13 times 2 equals 26. So this is, 13 quarts is the same thing as 26 pints. So if I have 25 pints, blank, and 26 pints, what would I put in there? I'd put less than that number, less than, okay? 25 quarts is less than, 25 pints is less than 13 quarts, because 13 quarts is the same thing as 26 pints. Last one, and you guys are going to do it on your own. 20 quarts, circle, 80 cups. Okay, now this isn't a straight conversion here. Quarts to cups, can't do it. So let's figure out 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 pint equals 2 cups. So therefore, okay, remember we want to convert the big one down to the small one. So we're multiplying by 2 to get to pints and multiplying by 2 again to get to cups. So we multiply 2 and then multiply, see, times 2 to get to here, and then times 2 to get to here, right? So multiplying by 2 twice. 20 times 2 is 40. Times 2 equals 80. So 20 quarts is the same thing as 80 cups. So what do we put here? Bloop, bloop. Right? All right. Hopefully you guys understand that. If you need to go through it again, feel free to watch the video. I kind of spoke a little bit quickly. As you can probably tell, I have a lot of videos up today. Some of them shorter than others, but a lot of them took a long time to do some research for, especially my physics video. It took a long time to research. I had to do a lot of different things. I had to correct a lot of work and everything. But anyway, so I would like you to do 11, 12, and 13, 17, 18, and 19. I'm going to post those as well, those assignments. So that's it. All right. Have a good night.